Now, I don't know about you, but my kids are always pestering me for ice cream and frozen desserts. But now I've discovered that using my Vitamix, I can make really quick, healthy frozen desserts in just about 45 seconds. Now, the recipe I'm going to show you today is basically a frozen yogurt, and it has 2 ingredients. The first is natural yogurt, so this is protein rich, it's calcium rich, which is great both for you and for the kids. And the second ingredient is simply a frozen fruit. Now, I've chosen to use mango today, but basically you can use any frozen fruit that you like. Mango is rich in beta carotene, it's got fiber, it's got vitamin C, it's really a fantastic fruit to use. So here's what you do. All you do is put in your yogurt first because you want to cover the blades in the Vitamix, and then pop the frozen fruit on top. Now, a little tip is if you've got fruit going ripe in the fruit bowl and you're not sure what to use with it, just cut it up, put it into Ziploc bags, and pop it into your freezer. The lid goes on, make sure it's on nice and tight. And that's it. That took just about 45 seconds. And here we have our gorgeous frozen yogurt. It's totally delicious and it's healthy enough to eat every day.